China urges local companies to stay away from Nvidia's chips. Today, we're discussing the latest development in the tech world as China urges local companies to stay away from Nvidia's chips. Beijing is stepping up pressure on Chinese companies to buy locally produced artificial intelligence chips instead of Nvidia Corp products. This move is part of China's effort to expand its semiconductor industry and counter U.S. sanctions. Chinese regulators have been discouraging companies from purchasing Nvidia's H20 chips, used to develop and run AI models. However, this policy is not an outright ban, as Beijing wants to avoid handicapping its own AI startups and escalating tensions with the U.S. The goal is to help domestic Chinese AI chipmakers gain more market share while preparing local tech companies for potential additional U.S. restrictions. China's leading makers of AI processors include Cambricon Technologies Corp. And Huawei Technologies Co. Earlier this year, Beijing also told local electric vehicle makers to procure more supplies from local chipmakers, part of its campaign to reach self-sufficiency in critical technologies. Nvidia shares fell as much as 3.9% to $119.26 on Friday after the news. The U.S. government banned Nvidia from selling its most advanced AI processors to Chinese customers in 2022, limiting Beijing's technological advances. Nvidia modified subsequent versions of the chips to comply with U.S. Commerce Department regulations. Chinese regulators, including the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, issued window guidance to reduce the use of Nvidia chips. The notice encouraged companies to rely on domestic vendors like Huawei and Cambricon. However, Chinese officials also want local companies to build the best AI systems possible, even if it means buying foreign semiconductors. Nvidia declined to comment, while China's Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Information and Technology, and Cyberspace Administration didn't respond to requests for comment. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang stated that he's doing his best to serve customers in China while complying with U.S. government restrictions. Nvidia has seen sales soar as data center operators scramble to buy more of its processors. China continues to be part of that growth, though trade restrictions have taken a toll. In the July quarter, Nvidia got 12% of its revenue from China, including Hong Kong. Nvidia chips are the gold standard for companies developing artificial intelligence services. Chinese tech companies, including ByteDance and Tencent, stockpiled Nvidia's chips before export controls took effect. Chinese chip designers and manufacturers are working to introduce alternatives to Nvidia. Beijing has offered billions in subsidies to the semiconductor sector, but local AI chips remain behind Nvidia's. Despite U.S. restrictions, China has a burgeoning AI sector. ByteDance and Alibaba Group are investing aggressively, while startups are vying for leadership. Some companies are turning a blind eye to the Chinese decree and rushing to buy more H20 chips before anticipated U.S. sanctions by the end of this year. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the tech world. Thank you for watching.